Welcome back. Guess what? School starts in just about a month. Many local school districts will be returning, and local public health officials are warning that childhood immunization rates across our state and in Franklin County are slipping. Medical experts, even educators, say lower vaccination numbers leave classrooms vulnerable to outbreaks of preventable diseases, including measles and whooping cough. And all of this brings us to a critical summer assignment. It's homework for the parents out there, and that's making sure every child is protected before the first bell. Franklin County Public Health has a pop-up immunization clinic in Hilliard. It is tomorrow morning. Franklin County Health Commissioner Joe Mazzola is here. We went all the way to the top so we could give you this information, parents and guardians. And I wanted to start with, this is a perfect time. Many people will be thinking, wait, we have more time, but talk about why now is a really good time for this.
Yeah, thank you for having me. It really is the perfect time to put that on your back to school list. We want to make sure that our families and our kiddos are ready to go back to school safely, and that really starts with making sure that they're up to date on their vaccines. And as you mentioned, vaccine preventable. And so we really want to make sure we take an opportunity to make this accessible to our community. So this pop-up clinic tomorrow is a great opportunity for our families to come out and see us, get those vaccines taken care of, and make sure that you can enjoy the rest of your summer and know that you're protected as you go into the fall.
Now, I mentioned measles and whooping cough, but can you talk about the diseases that these vaccines protect? What's required in our state?
Yeah, so there's 10 vaccines that are required by the state through kindergarten, 7th grade, and 12th grade. We have all that information on our website. And we really want to make sure that we answer questions for our parents. We know that sometimes that's a little confusing. Yes. What do you need and when? And so all that information is available on our website as well as the state health department's website. But we certainly always are available to answer questions. Our families can email us or call us, and we're happy to make sure that we can check on your child's vaccine records, make sure if there's a question about am I up to date, am I not, we can help them with that as well.
That's got to be comforting. I mentioned again measles. I remember talking last year to doctors who said they hadn't ever seen a case. These are preventable diseases. Can you talk about what you all are reacting to when you see the rates for vaccination falling?
Yeah, so we have seen a little bit of a drop over the last couple of years, but really encouraging. We started to see that trend go back up. We know that what we've seen some polling, we know that our families know how important this is. Right now, for example, 90% of our kiddos have the MMR vaccine here in Franklin County, which is just above the state, which is at 88%. We'd like to see that continue to go up, 94, 95, 96%. So we want to make sure that, again, from an accessibility standpoint, that we're making these vaccines available, we're answering questions. These vaccines are safe, they're effective, and we really know that they are the #1 way to prevent illness for our kiddos and also to protect those who can't get their vaccines. So that's why public health is so important. And so this pop-up clinic is going to be happening tomorrow in Hilliard at the Columbus Metropolitan Library. But we also have vaccine clinics at our health department downtown at the old COSI building, Memorial Hall. And we have outreach clinics monthly in Dublin, Clinton Township, and Groveport.
I love that it's pop-up because you do think, oh, did I make an appointment? I mean, really, walk us through this. People can show up. What do they need to bring with them?
Oh, really? Just their identification,
just the kid.
And if they have, their insurance card, we do take insurance. But we never will turn anyone away for inability to pay. So they just got to show up tomorrow, and we'll work with them, throughout the whole process. We have a great mobile unit. You'll see it right there in the parking lot at the library. So just show up. Our public health nurses are great. They'll answer all your questions and really make sure that gets taken care of efficiently, and then families can be on their way.
That's great. Joe Mazzola in from the Franklin County Public Health. I want to go to the full screen now so we can talk about the specifics on this. Here are the details for tomorrow's pop-up clinic. It runs from 10 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. Columbus Metropolitan Library branch in Hilliard. This is on Hickory Chase Way. Again, no appointment necessary. Just bring your child's immunization record and insurance card. If you have one, uninsured families fully welcome. They're not turning anyone away. Again, thank you so much for coming in, Commissioner. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.